Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale outreach campaigns with Constant Contact, complete guide step by step clearly. To scale outreach campaigns with Constant Contact, start by logging into your Constant Contact account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the dashboard. Select Create Campaign to initiate a new outreach project. Choose your campaign type, such as email, social media, or events. For email campaigns, select Email to access the email editor. Pick a template that aligns with your campaign goals. Customize the template by adding your logo and branding elements. Write a compelling subject line that encourages opens. Craft your email content, focusing on clear messaging and a strong call to action. Incorporate images and links to enhance engagement. Use the preview function to see how your email will look on different devices. Next, select your audience from your contact list or create a new list. Ensure you segment your audience for targeted outreach if necessary. Set your email preferences, including the sender name and reply to address. Schedule your email for a specific date and time for optimal delivery. Monitor your campaign performance with the reporting tool after sending. Analyze open rates, click rates, and engagement metrics to assess success. Use insights gained to refine your strategy for future campaigns. Consider utilizing A/B testing for subject lines and content variations in future outreach. Integrate social media channels to enhance your campaign's reach. Regularly update and clean your contact list to maintain engagement. Evaluate new features and tools within Constant Contact to maximize effectiveness. Repeat this process for consistency, focusing on continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.